Hey girls, this is Rumu. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you one of my favorite eye makeup, that is golden glittery eyes. So let's begin. I have already done my base makeup and eyebrows. So let's start the eye makeup. To add some dimension, I am contouring my face with Miss Claire contouring palette. Then I'll use my highlighter from Makeup Revolution, and I'll combine two lipstick from Maybelline, one liquid lipstick from Maybelline that is Truly Mib, and another stick lipstick from Maybelline that is Divine Wine. So here is my final look with golden glittery eyes. Golden color is always suitable for warm undertone. If there is a bit of golden touch in my dress, I usually wear this type of eye makeup. So I like to share with you guys. If you like my video, give a big thumbs up and comment down what type of makeup you like to see from me. You can also follow me in Facebook and Instagram. My Instagram handle is Rumu Mridha. If you are new, just hit the subscribe button so that I can make more and more interesting videos for you. Share with your friends and families. So see you on the next one, guys. Bye. Take care.